We have liftoff! I'm getting dizzy.
Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining us here at Midnight Science Club at Faraday Studios. I'm Jake, and what's my title?
Wizard 4.
Wizard 4. There have been 4 of us since the year, when Faraday started about 1812, I think. We've had 4 wizards. I'm looking for Wizard 5. And this guy right here is a wizard in training, maybe, if he behaves himself. What's 7 times 8?
56.
Okay. Good thing he knew that. I'd throw him out again. Well, do you remember the day that we had you flying around on the stool out here? Oh, look at this. Look at this thing. The man is going.
Oh, that time.
Yes, you remember that, yeah. There's a lot of crying and screaming and yelling.
Oh, yeah.
But it wasn't any serious. The hospital didn't charge much or anything.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad, no. But what did we have? We had an old broom, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
With a propeller on the end. And you had a propeller-driven flight. I saw something the other day at the hardware store, and I went, oh my word, this is so cool. I can't stand it. You ready to see it?
Yeah.
Right here. Look at this.
What's that?
I couldn't help myself.
I mean, it looks cool.
It looks good. Yeah, I know it's not a gun, but it is a blower. It's a battery-powered blower. And if I turn it on, and then I can slide this up, and that is really powerful blower. That kind of dries your mouth out. That's terrible. I wonder if we could do that with a jet-powered. I don't know if this will put out enough thrust. I thought it'd be just fun to try it, to see if you could fly with one of these things.
That sounds fun to me.
You mind being the test pilot?
Not at all.
Is your mom around?
She's somewhere, but it's fine. Don't listen to her.
I think we had that long stick. We tied the propeller.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll put a jet engine, kind of a little micro jet engine at the end of the stick and see if it's enough to make you fly. We're going to try that just for fun. And we're going to do it without the aid of a computer or a cell phone or anything. It's just going to be you against the elements, right?
Sounds good.
All right, sounds good. Well, we're going to reset the studio a little bit and see if we can get you ready to go flying. And this has no redeeming qualities. I'm going to ask you at the end of this just one question.
Spin, spin, spin.
Hey, Ethan, you doing okay over there?
Yeah.
You know, I'm over here where it's safe. Get high speed. High speed.
How does that work?
Well, I'm getting dizzy.
Turn it.
Oh, I almost flew off.
I want you to practice turning it up.
Oh.
See, that would slow you
Got
down. So you start with it pointing down.
That was exhilarating.
That's why you do it with a kid that's like 75 pounds.
Thank you. Yeah, I do weigh 75 pounds, like, actually.
See, now you start. Now let's practice. Which way are you going to twist it? Let's go, and then to stop.
Yep.
Okay, and then to start back up again. Okay, you got it. Are you ready, Ethan?
I'm ready.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Oh, he's
go.
off. My gosh, it's working. We have enough thrust. Now don't go too fast. Turn it off. There you go. You point up and it slows down. Okay, speed up again. See what happens. Oh man, that's great. Turn it up. There you go. So what do you think? Was that better than the propellers?
A lot.
A lot.
Though I'm a bit dizzier.
Jet-powered flight. That was kind of cool, right? You okay?
I'm more than a bit dizzy, but give me a minute and I'm good.
Okay.
Actually, a phone might work out all right. Oh, that'd be amazing.
Elliot, can you go refill my water bottle? Because I'm going to need water after this. I'm about to die. See ya.
I think that's gonna be good.
Ooh. Okay, I'm good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Camera's rolling.
Ready? Go!
There he goes. Oh my gosh.
We have liftoff!
Okay.
Trying. It's still going.
It's still going.
It's still good.
Hi. I couldn't slow down.
So it worked.
It did indeed work, if you can call it that.
We are rolling.
Yes.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. So, Ethan, that was quite amazing, wasn't it?
It was an experience.
It was an experience, man. We're proud of you. I don't know how fast you were traveling, but that was the fastest anybody has traveled in this studio in all these many years. So I have a question for everybody who's watching us. Were you being pushed or pulled around?
I think I was being pushed.
Okay, so something was pushing. What I want you to think about, what was doing the pushing and where was it pushing? Because something was pushing you around in a circle pretty fast, right?
Very fast, yes.
Right, and inside there, it's a fan thruster right in there, but something had to be pushing. So I just want you to picture in your mind, what was pushing on what? See, because air, I could push on this all day and not get anywhere. How in the world was that working? I just want you to see if you can think about it.
Well, I think the air was going through this and it was pushing the other air out of the way.
Well, he's thinking.
If I held it at
You
the
can push
same
against
angle.
the air, can you?
Yes, because even if I do that, I still move a little
He's
bit.
thinking. Well, that's what I challenge you to do. Maybe someday we'll reveal the secret. I just wanted you to think about it without us just telling you. What was pushing on what? That's something for you to think about. Hey, thank you for joining us here at, where are we?
Faraday Studios.
Faraday Studios, Midnight Science Club, episode number 6,419 or something like that, right? We've been
Sounds
doing it.
right.
It sounds like that. We've been doing this forever. You want to go for another ride?
Please.
No, yeah, man,
Please,
you're going,
no.
man, that's what I'm saying.
No.
No more. What was pushing on what? Yeah, I left him with a question. That's pretty cool.